You have a cold and your nose is stuffy. You can't breathe well, you have a headache, your face feels swollen, and you can't sleep. All this is making you very cranky with everyone around you, and you just want relief. Quickly! Today you will learn 3 natural ways to get your nose and sinuses opened up so that you can breathe better and get on with your life. A steam tent is a great way to get herbal medicine right to the problem. You will need a flat-bottom pan or a dish, a decongestant herb, and some boiled water and a bath towel. Start by putting the water on to boil, then gather the rest of your supplies. Herbs that are great for helping open up your stuffy nose and sinuses include mint, chamomile, garlic, and cayenne. If you choose to use peppermint or chamomile, place a small handful in your flat-bottom dish and cover the herbs with just boiled water. You can use 1 crushed clove of garlic, or if you choose to use cayenne, which is the more powerful herb, only use 1/4 teaspoon or less. While leaning over the steaming dish of water, take your towel and drape it over your head and the dish to form a tent. Breathe deeply to get the steam into your sinuses and lungs. Don't worry if you have to breathe through your mouth. The steam will still reach your sinuses and start working to open up that stuffy nose. In fact, you will want to have some tissues close because your nose is going to start to run. For best results, stay under the tent for 10 to 20 minutes, although you may have to come out periodically for a breath of fresh air. That's fine, just go back under. This treatment is not a one and done. In fact, none of these remedies are. As long as you have this cold, your nose will get stuffy, but you can repeat the treatment every 3 hours or as you need to help you breathe easier and feel better. Another effective way to help open up that stuffy nose is to use a warm compress across your nose and sinuses. Start by adding a teaspoon of peppermint tincture to very hot water. Stir this well and then allow the liquid to cool to as warm as you can tolerate. Then dip a cloth in the liquid, wring it out well, and drape it across your nose and sinus area. When the cloth becomes cool, you can re-soak the cloth in the hot liquid if needed. Again, this is not going to fix the problem with one treatment, but will give you some temporary relief until that nasty cold is gone. You can repeat this every 3 hours as needed. Since neither of these methods are practical if you have to be away from home, what can you use to relieve that stuffy nose if you have to go to work? This remedy is not for the faint of heart, but is very effective and portable. 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne or horseradish powder held in your mouth for as long as you can stand it will help open up that stuffy nose. Be sure to have your tissues standing by. Carry a small jar of the cayenne or horseradish powder with you to work to use as needed when you can't be at home doing a steam tent. Have I missed any remedies for a stuffy nose? Leave your answer in the comments below to help the rest of us get some relief. And if you would like to learn how to stop that cough your cold is causing, watch this now. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to get rid of that stuffy nose naturally. Stay healthy. How long can you hold cayenne in your mouth? And have a blessed week.